Good day, Madam, Sir. My name is Melanie Alsaibar, 41 years old. My height 5'2", my weight 65, from Batangas, Philippines. I'm married with 3 kids, age 16, 11, and 6. I'm high school graduate. I am ex-abroad in Saudi Arabia, year 2021-2022 as domestic helper. And now, I'm applying as domestic helper bound to Dubai. I can do cleaning, washing, ironing, and other household work. I can take care of babies, kids, and elderly. I know how to cook Arabic food like kabsa, magloba, and biryani. I am honest and hardworking person. Thank you, Madam and Sir.